Hello, I'm Sarah Morell, and I'm currently a senior in the traditional BSN program here at Methodist. I was born in Lincoln, Nebraska in 1987. I spent the first part of my childhood growing up in Weeping Water, Nebraska. That's just 30 minutes south here of Omaha. I moved to Omaha when I was 10 for educational opportunities. I had my first son in February of 2008, and his father and I were married the year later. Soon after that, I joined the U.S. Army as a combat medic. I spent 5 years in the service, and when I got out, I started a school at UNO. I was working on nursing prereqs, and somewhere along the line, fell in love with sociology. I was able to earn a BGS concentrating in sociology in August of 2016, and then started the ACE program here at Methodist in January of 2017. I anticipate graduating this August. My dream in nursing is to become a certified nurse midwife and hopefully one day have my own freestanding birthing center. One leader that I admire is Princess Diana. She was the people's princess, and the key to her greatness was how she was viewed as a servant leader. Her practices enriched the lives of her people and created a more caring world. She had some leadership qualities, such as listening. She always listened to her people and heard their cries. She was empathetic, and she was consistently worried of others' welfare. She was a great healer. She wanted to bring wholeness into people's lives. Princess Diana was a great role model. She was surprisingly honest with her own struggles of bulimia and suicide, and that gave others dealing with similar issues to be open and honest with their own struggles. She utilized her platform in the media to bring attention to the forgotten people of the world and their needs. She also supported numerous charities and stayed committed to helping others. She was a devoted mother, and it was proven by her determination to raise her boys herself. And then let's be honest, her style was absolutely fabulous. Thank you for listening and taking the time to get to know me. Have a great day.